In the quiet village of Thornabrook, nestled between lush hills and mist-covered forests, there was a legend that whispered through the generations. The tale of the wishing tree. This ancient oak, with its gnarled roots and silvered bark, stood at the heart of the forest, its very presence said to hold the power of granting a single wish to those pure of heart. Mira, a young girl with dreams too big for the village, had grown up hearing the legend from her grandmother. Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, her grandmother would tell stories of the tree's magic, of how it had helped those in need long ago. But as the years passed, fewer people believed in the wishing tree, dismissing it as nothing more than a fairy tale. Mira, however, couldn't shake the feeling that there was truth hidden in the stories. She often wandered the forest, tracing the paths her grandmother had described, hoping to catch a glimpse of the tree. But it was elusive, as though it only appeared when it chose to. Mira said in her mind,
"Where can I find that magical oak tree?"
One crisp autumn afternoon, while exploring deeper into the woods than ever before, Mira stumbled upon a clearing she didn't recognize. There, bathed in a soft, ethereal light, stood the wishing tree. Its massive trunk was twisted in intricate patterns, and its leaves shimmered with silver streaks, as if the stars themselves had been woven into its branches. Mira stood frozen, her heart racing. She had found it. With a mixture of awe and trepidation, she approached the tree.
"I've heard your story all my life,"
she whispered, her voice barely audible over the wind.
"I have a wish for my village, for the people who have forgotten you."
The tree seemed to respond, its leaves rustling as though sighing with ancient wisdom. Mira took a deep breath and made her wish.
"I wish for the people of Thornabrook to remember the magic in their lives, to find wonder in the world again."
As soon as the words left her lips, the air around her shimmered with a soft glow. Mira felt a warmth spread through her chest, as though the very earth beneath her feet was alive with energy. For a moment, everything was still, the forest holding its breath. Then, without warning, the wishing tree's branches bent low, and a single silver leaf drifted from the highest point, landing gently in Mira's hands. She stared at it, mesmerized by its beauty. The leaf seemed to pulse with life, its glow fading as it settled into her palm. Mira returned to the village with the leaf, unsure of what had transpired, but certain that something had changed. Over the following weeks, the villagers began to notice things they had long taken for granted. The beauty of the stars at night, the songs of birds in the morning, the way the sunlight danced on the river. They started to smile more, to laugh, to help each other. The wishing tree's magic wasn't in granting wishes for wealth or fame, Mira realized, but in reminding people of the simple wonders that already existed around them. And in that, she found something even more powerful. The belief that magic lived not in wishes, but in the hearts of those who dared to remember it.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the magic with someone you love.